Starting your crypto journey can feel like trying to learn a new language while walking through a digital maze. The charts, the jargon, the endless noise. It's overwhelming. You want to explore the world of Web3 and digital assets, but where do you even begin? If you're looking for a point of entry that cuts through the noise, welcome to Vibrr.ai. We are quickly becoming the go-to destination for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Vibrr is the perfect home base for your first steps into the future of finance. The biggest barrier to crypto is complexity. That's why Vibrr uses integrated artificial intelligence to simplify your experience. Instead of staring at confusing candle charts and technical jargon, you get actionable insights. Our AI breaks down market trends into plain English, providing guided navigation that shows you how things work, not just what they are. We know that security is your number one concern. Vibrr prioritizes a safe, secure ecosystem, helping you avoid the pitfalls of decentralized finance. By providing a curated, vetted environment, we significantly reduce the risk of landing on malicious sites or interacting with scammy tokens. Your peace of mind is our priority. Most beginners get exhausted jumping between 5 different apps, one for news, one for a wallet, one for trading, and another for tracking. Vibrr is your unified hub. Learn as you go with integrated educational resources. Connect with a community of others who are at the same stage of the journey. Access essential crypto tools without the steep learning curve. The future of crypto is intertwined with AI. By starting on a platform that already integrates these two technologies, you aren't just learning how to buy a coin. You're learning how to use next-generation tools that will define the financial landscape of the next decade. You don't need a degree in computer science to thrive in crypto. You just need the right starting line. Vibrr provides the clarity, security, and community needed to turn "I don't get this" into "I've got this." The best time to learn was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Join Vibrr.ai today